Often when we see patients with failing teeth, we're able to offer them implant solutions to help retain their teeth so that they don't have the embarrassment or the inconvenience of their teeth falling out at the wrong time. They're able to smile and chew confidently. These are all things that patients are looking for when they're looking for an implant solution. There are two main solutions that are available to patients. One is an implant-supported denture, where the denture is removable, but it basically just snaps into the dentures. The other option is a fixed option, where the denture is secured to the jawbone through the implants, and it doesn't come in or out. It stays in place, patients function on it like it's their own teeth. If you're wearing conventional removable dentures, over time you'll notice that your jawbone starts to shrink, and that shrinkage is going to cause the denture to not fit as well. What implants can do for you is they can help you preserve bone so that your bone does not shrink back and your denture will fit secure throughout your life. Full arch dental implants sounds like it can be a very intimidating process. We have a number of satisfied patients that have found the process very rewarding and have a significantly improved quality of life. If you think you're a candidate for full arch dental implants, let's start a conversation. Come in for a consultation and we'll find a treatment plan that's right for you.